how to fix TikTok verification code not received. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, what you can do is check your SIM card whether it is turned on or not. For that, open your settings. Go to the option SIMs, cards and mobile networks, open it. Make sure your SIM card is working. Now the second option, what you have to do is you have to make sure that you have allowed SMS permissions in your messaging app. For that, long press on your messaging app and then tap on app info. Over here you can find this option of app permissions, open it. Over here you can find this option of SMS, open it and set it to allow. Now the third thing you can do is remove all the cache in your messaging app. For that, long press on your messaging app, go to the option app info. At the bottom you can see this option of clear data, tap on it and then tap on clear cache, tap on OK. Now the another thing that you can do is just reinstall your TikTok. For that, long press on your TikTok app, tap on app info. At the bottom you can see this option of uninstall, tap on it, tap on OK. And again reinstall it by opening your Play Store, search for the app TikTok and reinstall it. Now the last thing that you can do is just restart your phone. By using all of these options, your problem is surely gonna be solved. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.